Hi, here is a dinosaur egg that my boyfriend found. Here's a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and here's Harvey. Yeah, do that louder. Thank you. Say, look at the ice around. Say, look at the ice around.
It's scratching! It's scratching! It's bipping!
Yeah, let us see its face. Get it? Let us see its face. Here you go.
Ah! It's bipping! I do not eat human meat.
It's encased in ice because Harvey went out to get the chicken eggs. I told him to bring the chicken eggs, and instead he brought me this egg, and it's from the prehistoric era, the Ice Age era. And what's it called, Mr. Beeler?
Cretaceous.
Oh, Cretaceous. And there it is, baby Harvey Rex. Yeah, I like that. Oh, that's cute. Harvey helped father this.